Hey guys, this is Supersonic X. I'm using my other device, other device. So I'm not using my regular one. So I'm gonna show you how to dismantle a fidget spinner. So what you wanna do? Oh heck! See, I had already dismantled mine a few times, and I got the wrong part in. Yeah, I got I got the spinning part that's supposed to be in the middle at the top. So I'm just gonna go and pop this on. So then what you wanna do? If you get it pop, no, hold up. Yeah, my little sister's watching it from school. Okay, so what you wanna do? If you haven't already dismantled it, what you wanna do is you just throw it on the floor a few times, or you can just get some grease, cause you can just get some grease and do it. So what you wanna do? Just push it out. And the little black parts, keep them somewhere safe. Because they're hard to, because they're easy to lose. Trust me, I lost almost all of them today. Then, and then you can still spin it. You can still spin it. It's easier to spin. It's even easier to spin. Spins faster, see? But I got mine. Okay, mode. See, it's easier to spin. It's clear and everything. Then you can just pop that out. See? A dismantle fidget spinner. See you guys later. Bye. Oh, and subscribe to my real channel. I got this channel, and there's two Supersonic X's. This one and the one on my original device that I usually record my videos on. So, yeah. So what you want to do if you want to put it back together, you just pop them back in. There, pop it back in. You can do the same with all fidget spinners, but not the light up ones. Cause the LEDs, the plastic, not these kind. The LEDs it's literally like um um glued on there. I think so. You won't be able to do the same thing with light up fidget spinners. But you can't take the middle part out. That's the only thing you can do with light up. So yeah, subscribe to all. I mean, if you're not all, subscribe to both Supersonic X's and also do not subscribe to my swag, my power, the one that has the NBA symbol. So I'll just see y'all later. Bye.